Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm in the middle of nowhere with my friend Amar, who is a little bit shy. Today I found a new track which is really cool. So we're going to ride right now. Actually I'm going to ride. Enjoy! Ooh. Right now it's stupid, but you will guys see that she's good. Amar is running and hey this I don't know, this is uphill right now. Maybe the next corner I can start aggressively. Yep, this is. There it is. Amar is going by walk and he hates it. Go right. Now I'm coming. Oh! Whoop! Shit, so nice. Oh no! Jump! I missed. This is actually the truth. Cross-country bikes, but it can be used for downhill too, when you don't have other options. Now we are going upside. Ooh. Ooh. Uphill. I hate it. It's not perfect, but you can train a little bit. And even you can train on your condition. Right now I'm waiting for Amar. I'm so sad right now because I didn't clean that jump. I missed my opportunity for jumping. I'm so stupid. Where is he? I can wait for him. He will come for an hour maybe. Windy is starting right now. It's windy outside. We are so stupid. Why we don't bring the sausages with us? Take a barbecue here. It will be a nice barbecue and bike and the hill and riding. There is he. He's watching. He's watching and he's throwing. There is my friend Amar, who is shy a little bit. Right now we'll kill him right down. I need to put my helmet on with my goggles or Oppa! I'm coming! Tieši tam. Speed on point. Woo. Woo. Oh. Ooh. This is my little track, and I'm happy with this track because I can train a little bit. Tomorrow, guys, I think coming new video on my channel, and he will be really good because I'm riding with my buddies. I think I will ride tomorrow. If I'm not riding with them, I will ride alone, and it will be also a good video. Just please share my video on the channel and help me to grow my channel to the maybe 1000 subscribers. I will be really happy. As I said, you guys don't know how much is it for me. Molim? Nisam bogan, nigdje. Whoa! I love this crazy feeling. Oh no. And I'm failing. Shit. Shit happens. Ciao. That's it for this video, guys. Subscribe down below and see you to the next time. Bye.